Hi all, today we will be doing a video on how to learn Python, and this video is basically for beginners and students. So without taking further time, I will start with our tutorial on learning Python, the basics of Python. Uh, oh, so in overview, what we will be covering is a bit of a history of Python, how we will be running Python, name and assignment, sequence type, lists, tuples, and strings, and mutability. So as for the Python, you can go and see extensive documentation of Python on docs.python.org. You can see the tutorials. There's a lot of APIs that you can use, how you can install Python. All those details you can refer. And Python has an extensive library reference that also that details also you can and how you can extend that library and all the global modules, how general indexes, search things, all this documentation I would suggest to go on docs.python.org and cover those. Running the Python. So for running the Python, you can use integrated development environment, which is typically used in Windows, multi-window text editor with syntax highlighting and auto-completioner, smart indents and other. Python shell and syntax highlighting, integrated debugger with stepping, persistent, breakpoint and call stack visibility. Running interactively on Unix. So on Unix you can run the Python and simply on the command prompt, when you give 3 plus 3 it will give you 6. Python will prompt these kind of forward slash where you can write your commands. In Unix you can put control D to exit the Python, but not in the interactive tell. Or in Windows you can put control Z or put exit and enter to move out of. Running program of on Unix, you can create your Python program via Python interpreter, and it will create a py script, and that you can run. Make a Python file directly executable, adding the add a appropriate path to your Python interpreter as a first line of your file. Like here we have added hash user bin Python. Make your file executable by changing its mode, and then invoking the file from your Unix command line. Python script. When you call a Python program from a command line, the interpreter evaluate each expression in the file. Familiar mechanisms are used to provide command line argument and or redirect input and output. Python also has a mechanism to allow a Python program to act both as a script and as a module to be imported and used by another Python program. Now we will cover the basics of Python. So simple code sample that you can put on ideally, like x equal to 34 minus 23, y equal to hello, and z equal to 3.45. If z equal to 3.45 or y equal to hello, then x plus 1 or y plus word. This is basically we are doing a concatenation, and then we will try to print x and y value. I would request you to run this program on your IDLE and provide the output in the comments. Enough to understand the code. Indentation matters to code meaning. Block structure indicate by indentation. First assignment to a variable creates it. Variable type don't need to be declared. Python figures out the variable type on its own. Assignment is equal to and comparison is double equal to. For a number, plus minus into divide percentage are as expected. Special use of plus for string concatenation and percentage for string formatting, as in C printf. Logical operators are words like and or not, symbols. The basic printing command is print. Basic data type: integer, floats and string. These are the basic data type which you can utilize in Python. White space is meaningful in Python, especially in indentation and placement of new line. Use of a new line to end a line of code. Use slash when you must go to the next line prematurely. No braces to mark the block of code. use consistent indentation instead. First line with less indentation is outside of the block, and first line with more indentation is nested under a nested block. Colon starts a new block in many construct. Example, function, definition, and then clauses. Comment. To start a comment, you put a hash and rest of the line will be ignored. Can include a documentation string as the first line of the new function or the class you define. Development environment and debugger and other tools use it. It's a good style to include one. Like you can here see, we are defining a function, and fact all these details under quotes are there. Assert and return one. Assignment. Binding a variable in Python means setting a name to hold the reference to some object. Name in Python do not have an intrinsic type. Objects have type. Python determines the type of the reference automatically based on what data is assigned to.